Merry Christmas everyone, and welcome to today's Christmas tutorial. For today we'll be designing an early American Victorian style Twas the Night Before Christmas themed Christmas tree. Please hit that like and subscribe button so I can bring you more fun and entertaining Christmas shopping and decorating tutorials. Now let's get started on today's Christmas design. So the first thing I did was put my snowflake star on top, set the tree up, put all the lights on, and I did this double bead design. The top row is ivory beads, the bottom row is burgundy beads, and I did alternating swags with bows in the middle, which I made and added bells to. To match that, I added some burgundy bulbs, some drums, and some ivory bulbs in alternating rows around the tree. To make this feel early American or Victorian, I also added these LED candles in alternating rows around the tree, some stockings, some candy canes and pine cones, some mittens, and some vintage star and pearl designed items. I also added this stopwatch, which I thought was Victorian and early American looking, and I got 8 of those from AliExpress and Temu that go around the tree. I really thought that added a historical touch to it. Santa's reindeer. So I wanted to make it seem like the night before Christmas. So I have Santa Claus toys, drums, candles, things that represented early America in the late 1800s and 1900s. But I really enjoyed adding the touches like the pocket watches. To add variety and a winter theme, I added these crystal picks that I got from Hobby Lobby around the tree and also around the top to hide the stem. I then added these gold champagne color stems to break up some of the monotony of the bulbs and other elements and give it more of a natural look. To add more texture, I added these gold and burgundy berries to make it more Christmassy, to give it more texture and to tie into our theme and color of gold, burgundy, and ivory. I added these green leaves because I liked the way they look with the tree and the pine. Plus I also wanted to tie this in with my leaf garland that I was using throughout the year. So I bought this beautiful garland of leaves that I'm using for Halloween and Thanksgiving, and I just kept it up for Christmas. To tie into our Night Before Christmas theme, I bought these mini Night Before Christmas books, Added some more Santa Claus ornaments and reindeer ornaments. I found these grandfather clock ornaments that I added. And I also decided to decorate the bottom of the tree using antique or turn-of-the-century toys, cookies, gingerbread houses, a teddy bear. I have some gingerbread cookies, these fake beautifully wrapped presents, a drum, a nutcracker. To finish, I added some lights to the top and also the bottom where the toys are at. Now let's sit back and relax and look at the final result of this Night Before Christmas themed tree. Please comment below on your favorite part and what your theme is this year.